Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure leads with GetResponse, full guide step by step clearly. First, create an account at getresponse.com. Fill in your details and confirm your email to activate your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create button to begin building your lead capture form. Choose the type of form you want, either a pop-up or regular form. Customize your form by adding fields such as name and email address. Use the design options to adjust colors, fonts, and styles. After customizing, click on the Save button to finalize your form. Next, go to the Lists section on the dashboard. Create a new list to store your leads. Name the list appropriately to keep your leads organized. After setting up your list, return to your form and link it to your new list. This ensures that all captured leads will be stored correctly. Now, navigate to the Landing Pages section. Click on Create Landing Page to make a dedicated page for your leads. Choose a template that fits your brand and message. Customize the template by adjusting text, images, and colors. Make sure to include a call to action button that directs visitors to your form. Once satisfied with your landing page, publish it and copy the URL. To drive traffic to your landing page, consider sharing it on social media. You can also integrate it with your website for better visibility. Monitor your leads by visiting the Reports section on the dashboard. Analyze metrics such as conversion rates and engagement. Use this data to refine your strategy and improve your lead capture process. Finally, continually test different approaches to optimize your forms and landing pages. Keep your content fresh and relevant to attract more leads. With these steps, you're on your way to effectively securing leads with GetResponse. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.